I have a lot of price shoppers.
Okay.
We sell a premium product as part of our business. It's a high quality snow removal attachment.
Yep.
So I get a lot of price shoppers that are, hey, what's the price?
Sure. Yeah, I can help you.
Have a,
Absolutely, I can help you with that. Which attachments were you looking to buy?
right.
That's your question, right? Because what are they going to say most of the time? It starts with I and it ends with don't know, right? They're going to tell you that. If you go, awesome, I can help you with that. Which ones were you looking to buy? They're going to go, well, I don't know. And then how many snow removal attachments do you have? How many different ways can you configure it?
7 or 8.
8 different attachments, and then is that including configurations, or does the number go up with configurations?
No, about 3 to 4 configurations and 7 or 8 different sizes in each configuration.
Perfect. You know, hey, to be honest, we've got 3 or 4 different types of attachments, or 7 or 8 different types of attachments with 3 to 4 different ways you can configure it. Oh my God, that's like 37 different ways. If I can ask you a couple questions about your current situation, what you're doing with the snow removal, where you want to get to, I'll be able to give you an exact price on the exact attachment and configuration that best meets your needs. Fair enough? Boom. See how we do it? Anytime somebody says, what's the price on your blank? Awesome, I can help you with that. Don't say it's complicated, and don't say, let me check and start giving them prices, because we don't know if that's what they need. We're going to say, awesome, I can help you with that. Which attachment and make it a little bit complicated there. Which attachments and configurations were you looking to buy? There, you ask it that way, almost 100% of them is going, well, I don't know exactly. Hey, no problem. I'll be honest, I don't know exactly either. We've got 8 different attachments and 3 to 4 different ways you can configure each one. If I could ask you a couple questions about how you're going to be using the attachment, how often you're going to be using it, and the outcome that you want, I'll be able to give you an exact price on the exact attachment configuration that best meets your needs. Fair enough? And then if they go, well, I just want to know a range, know what your bottom range is. They start at $1,500 and they go all the way up to $12,500. Again, if I can ask you a couple questions about where you're at right now, we'll be able to figure out where you fall in that lineup, right? And then just go right into your questions. We get too prickly with price because somebody taught us a long time ago, don't say your price because your competition's going to undercut it. Again, maybe, but if you understand, hey, because of the fact that you told me the Homeowners Association has only approved $3,000 for this budget, and that includes salt, and you're only going to be doing sidewalks, I'd like to recommend this particular attachment. It's going to go on to your existing quad that you have right now. It's perfect for sidewalks, and it fits within the $3,000 budget, thus still giving you another $1,000 for the season on salt. Does it make sense to get that ordered, right? Like, they're going to be, damn, he really understands what's going on in my situation. This is why we got to slow down, right? And then if they just want a price, give them a range. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.